Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And I recently posted a video that looked like this one, but I changed some things up, so I wanted to show you the new look. You did see all these plants and rabbits and everything, but they were all spread out in front of this residential complex. But now what I did was I bunched them up here in this section, fenced them in, and I added some vehicles. So the vehicles look like they are part of the residential complex. They are parked outside and they have their parking spots. And I also added a food truck right here. So there's a lot happening here. The food truck, the cars parked, and these rabbits here are watering all these plants. So this is all taking place at the same time. So the previous video, it was only this, all this spread out to the front of the complex there. So the complex there is actually an advertisement, a real estate advertisement. So that is a real picture of a complex, and you can see it has the sky and everything. Isn't that beautiful? It looks so real. So since I had the rabbits spread out here, I said to myself, well, why don't I make this section here realistic by making parking spots and adding some of my son's little cars, vehicles to the front. So I took some beige brown paper and used it as their parking spots. As the grass, that's just cardboard. There are two joined together, and I got them from landscaping magazines a while back. So every now and then I use them with my plants and stuff like that. Then over here, this background here, this is a sticker from the Dollar Tree, a long one. And then of course I added all those little plants that my friend Esther sent me a while back. She sent me a ton of plants, and I've used them for the miniature florist. Then I had this little rabbit here. He's watering plants, and I had some other ones. I have a whole bunch of these from a thrift shop. So I added them to this setting here. And the fence I got for $1 at a yard sale a while back. So this is it. I changed it up to have this section here and have some cars here. Then there's the food truck. I got it at a flea market a while back. You can see inside the food. It really specializes in burgers and hot dogs, as you can see. Look at the menu. Right there. You can see inside. It just looks so real. And I can show you the other side of the truck. The hot dogs are on this side, you can see. And then on this side in the back, there are 2 burgers with fries. Well, I think that this will be it for now. This is all taking place in this awkward box. But when you zoom into it, it looks like it's just all this in a world by itself. Alrighty. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.